Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pepper and potato salad. Peppers are a great ingredient to use in potato salad because they're bright and crunchy while the potatoes are earthy and soft. So I'm going to start with some red skin potatoes. I have cut them into bite-sized pieces and cooked them for 5 to 10 minutes, just long enough to make them soft but not mushy. And I'm going to use some small sweet peppers. I have a red one and a yellow one. You can really use any kind of peppers you have available, but it's pepper season and I have these beautiful sweet peppers, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. I've just got a little bit of ribbing and seeds at the top. I'm going to pull that out, and then I'm going to slice them in strips. Using the small peppers also is a really inexpensive way to get several different pepper colors into your potato salad. Now I'm going to add some flat leaf Italian parsley. It has more flavor than the curly parsley. You can really use either one. And then I'm going to marinate this with some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, some dill, some salt, and some black pepper. This is going to be tasty right away, but it'll be even tastier if you let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes so the potatoes can soak up the flavors. So here you have a pepper and potato salad.